Play Taemin. Yes! Welcome to my channel. This is a new series I'll be doing until Taemin drops his album this March. I will be posting a new video of me covering one of his songs horribly, just passionately mumbling along for all 28 or 29 days of February, however many there is. And I hope you enjoy this series. Thank you.
BROWNSMAGIC.
Hey guys, I'm getting ready ahead of time. Play Taemin. Yes! So it looks like today we're doing Danger by Taemin. Yeah, looks like today we're doing Danger by Taemin. Now this is gonna be another one of those hard songs to do because I know the dance to this. So I'm thinking I'm gonna be like, stay. This one should be, I've listened to this one a lot, so I'm pretty sure I got some of the, what's that P word? Mnemonics, phonetics, something like that. I'm pretty sure I can sing most of what he's saying closer than all of my other ones. I'm pretty sure I can get a little bit closer. So without further ado, I'm just gonna pop in the old AirPods. Oh, I'm scared. By the way, I haven't gotten any complaints from my neighbors to my face. Nobody has came in my face and said, you're too loud, you need to stop, we're telling your RA, we're telling your CA. No one said that yet, so we're good. We're ready. Nug, ching cho hai. Now I don't need you there. None of ruin the game. Now I don't make yo bum 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 bum. Chiyo dirty. Doesn't matter, yo, no, oh, no, the side of sit there, no, so key go, no, you bone, no, yo, go, danger, honey, bummy, danger, don't you guys, stay, take a G, nobody's this guy, says on, guess I no one be what stay. It's my showtime, danger. Donkey, danger. Sanajiro, no. Chinjoge. The party noji. Nana booning gay. Oh, bum 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 bum. No name Rio. Hey, not to the side. Go. Yodi go. Danger. Only bummy, danger. Don't you guys stay? Nobody high to get to soon night. Something to do stay. But I need, cause no to by. It's my showtime, danger. Dumpty, 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 danger. Son of Jiddle, son of Jiddle, son of Jiddle, son of Jiddle's danger. Now that what do we sow? Oh, baby, yeah. To want to go, Children so. Oh, baby, danger. Only Bobby, danger. Don't you guy, danger. Donkey, danger. Son of Jill, hey. So stay. It's my showtime, danger. Only bomb me, danger. Don't you guy, danger. Donkey, danger. Son of Jiddle. I feel like there's a CA. I feel like there's a CA or an RA just like waiting outside of my door like, you gotta stop this. This has been episode 4. Can't wait to see you guys for episode 5. And if you watched this whole thing, make sure you click on the, I'll either put a card up or I'll put an end thing, a link to the playlist of all of these. You can just watch them back to back. So far, yeah, like I said, I already have 4 out, and this is episode 5. Or is it episode 4? This is episode 4. This is episode 4. So make sure you go through the playlist and watch the other 3. And this will be added to the playlist. And thank you so much for watching, Taemin's and Shawal's. Can't wait for Taemin's comeback. This has been a really fun time. Smash that like button if you like my makeup. Subscribe if you hate my hair, because I hate it. Subscribe if you like my hair, because I thought I liked it at first, but now I'm not so sure. Yeah, just make sure you subscribe and comment, like, and share this with a friend, and check out the rest of my channel. I do a lot of cool stuff. I'm kind of unpredictable. My channel's all over the place. I do whatever I feel like doing, to be honest, whether it's makeup, music videos, or just talking. I'm probably gonna do an ASMR soon. Tomorrow. I'll do an ASMR tomorrow, so make sure you come back to my channel to check that out. Okay, thanks for watching. Can't wait for Taemin's comeback in March. And like I said in the beginning of this video, I'm going to be making one of these videos for every day this month. February, every day this month. And then every day until Taemin releases his music video for his new upcoming 2020 comeback. So if that's March 23rd, after February, looks like I'm doing 23 more. Yeah, and just make sure you like this if you really like this, and then, you know,